Hi everyone, welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best astronomical reflector telescopes you can bring home today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the HawkCo Astronomical Reflector Telescope. Let's get started. Product feature: powerful magnification. With a 900mm focal length, you can zoom from 36x up to 270x. It's perfect for seeing everything from craters on the moon to distant scenic landscapes with incredible detail and clarity. Large 90mm aperture. The 90mm large aperture lens gathers more light, making your views of the night sky incredibly bright. This ensures even faint celestial objects are visible and clear for your enjoyment and discovery. Multi-coated optics. Professional, fully multi-coated glass boosts light transmission by up to 73%. This means you get sharper, high-contrast images with minimal light loss, making every star and planet pop with vivid, breathtaking detail. Sturdy AZ mount tripod. The stainless steel tripod provides a stable base for your observations. With 360-degree rotation and adjustable height, it's easy to track objects smoothly while staying comfortable during long nights under the stars. Easy 15-minute setup. You won't spend hours struggling with parts. This telescope is designed for simplicity, allowing you to go from the box to the stars in less than 15 minutes by following the clear, easy-to-understand instructions. Smartphone astrophotography. Capture the beauty of space with the included smartphone adapter. Over 80% of users successfully record their first lunar photos on their very first try, turning your observations into digital keepsakes. Complete exploration kit. You get everything you need right away. 2 eyepieces, a 3x Barlow lens, a zenith mirror, a finder scope, a carry bag, and an accessory tray. It's a full package designed for your immediate journey of discovery. Pros: what I truly love is how this telescope welcomes everyone into the world of astronomy. It's not just about the specs, it's about the joy of seeing the moon's texture for the first time. The optics are remarkably clear for the price, and the included carry bag makes it easy to take on family camping trips. It feels like a genuine, caring companion for your journey through the stars. Cons: while the stainless steel tripod is much steadier than most, beginners might need a few minutes to get used to the manual tracking at the highest magnification levels. Also, because it's a powerful 900mm system, the setup is quite tall, so you want to ensure you have a clear, flat spot for the best experience. Final thoughts. There is something deeply moving about looking up and realizing how much beauty is waiting to be found. This telescope isn't just a piece of tech, it's a bridge to the universe for you and your loved ones. Whether you're a curious beginner or a hobbyist, it offers the quality and ease to make every stargazing night feel special. It's a wonderful way to spark a lifelong sense of wonder. The universe is waiting for you to look up and see its secrets. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Dude's Tech and like this video to stay updated on all the best gear for your adventures. Happy stargazing!